Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel to complete your assignment on visualizing football scores. So I have an Excel document where I made up some data for a team called the Lakers. You have a similar spreadsheet for the Vikings. First thing we'll want to do is we need to calculate the average or the mean. In order to do this, you click on an empty cell below the data you want. And then we'll go up here to the formula bar and type equals. Excel calls this the average. So you can type out the word average, or you can select that formula. You'll notice we need to put a parenthesis. So if you typed, put average and then a parenthesis. If you clicked, it automatically selected it for you. Now we need to tell Excel what numbers we want to use. And we can do that just by highlighting. So I'm going to click on my first score, drag it down to the last score, and click enter. And that has calculated the average or the mean score for the Lakers. We can do a similar thing to find the median. So again, I'm going to use that blank cell, that empty cell, go up to my formula bar, equals, I'm typing median. I can either type it and put the parenthesis myself, or I can see it as it comes up and click on it. So just like with average, we need to tell it which numbers we're using. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my list of numbers, press enter, and it gave me the median. So we've quickly calculated the mean or the average and the median. Your assignment asks you to go further and divide them into home and away. We're going to make some new tabs in order to make sure we don't miss the scores. Let's start by sorting our values. So go over here to column E, and then we're going to use sort and filter. I'm going to tell it that I want to sort this from A to Z. Okay, now it's going to pop up a question. And it's going to say, do you want to sort everything or just column E? And yes, we want to expand the selection so that it's rearranging all of my data based on column E. So I'm going to click sort. Okay, you'll notice that what it did is it put all the away games at the top, but it changed the order over here too. So it took the games and put them in the order based on if they're home or away. So we're going to look at just the away data first. So imagine that I want just these away games. I can highlight that and I can copy it. I'm going to make a new page for that. At the bottom left, you'll notice that there are tabs. This has a new sheet if I put that plus arrow. Okay, I can click on that. Then once I'm here, I can Control V to paste, or I could have right-clicked and looked for paste, and it copied that data over. You might need to adjust the formatting a little bit if you want to see things like dates or the full names, but the same information is here without you having to retype. You can go down here to sheet 1, and you could rename it if you want. And you can do this for any type of data. So organizing and sorting, and then copying it to additional pages. This should give you a good start on using Excel for your football assignment.